The 48 Laws of Power is a comprehensive guide on how to gain and maintain power in any situation. Written by Robert Greene, the book is a practical handbook for those seeking to gain an advantage in their personal or professional lives. The laws are presented in a straightforward and easy-to-understand manner, and each law is accompanied by real-life examples and historical anecdotes that illustrate the principles in action. One of the standout features of the book is its emphasis on the importance of understanding and manipulating the power dynamics of any situation. Greene teaches readers how to navigate complex social interactions and come out on top, whether it's in the boardroom or in a personal relationship. The laws also delve into the dark side of power, cautioning readers against the dangers of getting too caught up in the pursuit of it and the importance of maintaining a sense of morality. The 48 Laws of Power is divided into 6 sections, each covering a different aspect of power. The first section focuses on the fundamental principles of power, such as the importance of appearance, the value of reputation, and the dangers of vulnerability. The second section delves into the importance of cultivating a strong personality and the role that charisma, presence, and persuasion play in achieving success. The third section covers the laws of strategy and how to outmaneuver your opponents. This includes the importance of knowing your enemies and allies, the value of patience and caution, and the dangers of overreaching. The fourth section focuses on the laws of power in action, including the importance of creating and maintaining relationships, the value of manipulating and controlling situations, and the importance of secrecy and deception. The fifth section covers the laws of survival and how to protect yourself and your interests. This includes the importance of maintaining your independence and the value of being adaptable. The final section covers the laws of success and how to achieve your goals. This includes the importance of setting high standards for yourself and the value of cultivating a strong work ethic. Throughout the book, Greene emphasizes the importance of balance and the dangers of going too far in the pursuit of power. He also stresses the importance of maintaining a sense of morality and not letting power corrupt you. Overall, the 48 Laws of Power is a comprehensive and thought-provoking guide that is essential reading for anyone looking to gain a deeper understanding of power and how to wield it effectively. Get your own copy from the link in description. Overall, the 48 Laws of Power is a valuable resource for anyone looking to gain a deeper understanding of power and how to wield it effectively. It's a must-read for anyone looking to advance their career or improve their social standing. List of 48 Laws of Power is written in description.